And yes, this is for class 5 and this is chapter 3. I'm going to explain chapter 3. Now, take the correct answer. Dash is used for controlling the position of the text. So the correct option is tab. Dash refers to the intersection of a row and a column in the table, that is cell. By default, Word aligns the table text to dash inside each cell, so the correct option is left. ठीक है. Fourth is dash makes the text appear above the regular line of text, so option fourth का C is correct. Okay, superscript. Dash is used to produce a personalized letter for more than one person. This is mail merge. Write T for true and F for false statements. So Word is a popular word processing program. Yes, this is true. Table consists of a grid of boxes arranged in rows and columns. Yes, this is true. Table consists of a grid boxes arranged in row and columns. Yes, this is absolutely correct. You cannot insert a preset table in Word document. This is false. Third statement is false. Superscript and subscript are used in mathematical formulas. So this is again false. Mail merge is useful to send the same document of many people. Yes, this is true. Mail merge is done by merging data document with data source. Yes, this is again true. Now, fill in the blanks. Dash tool is used to copy the formatting that we apply to text. So this is format. Format is the correct option. Format tool is used to copy the formatting that we apply to text. Next, by default, Word creates tab stops every across the page, that is 0.5. Okay, this is point. Now to select everything in the cell, you just need to triple click. यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, ट्रिपल क्लिक कर देंगे. नेक्स्ट, डैश कंटेन्स द नेम एंड एड्रेस, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका डेटा सोर्स. सो डेटा सोर्स इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. डेटा, wait, I'm just rewriting here. This is data source, DATA, data, and then SOURCE, source. Now the next is to start mail merge. Click on mailings tab. यहाँ पर ऑप्शन हो जाएगा mailings tab. Now the next question is, आपको बताना है ऑटो करेक्ट और ऑटो फॉर्मेट में क्या अंतर होता है, मर्ज सेल और स्प्लिट सेल में क्या अंतर होता है. सो आई एम गिविंग यू द आंसर. Autocorrect. This feature corrects common spelling errors. For example, if you type the word ADN, the word processing software automatically changes it to the correct word. And autocorrect also corrects errors in capitalization. For example, it capitalizes the names of days and first letter in a sentence. Auto format. It automatically creates symbols, fractions, and ordinal numbers. For example, when you type this symbol, it changes to a smiling face. Okay, the fraction is created when you type 1.5, and the ordinal second is created when you type 2ND. Merge cell क्या होता है? You can combine two or more cells in your table to create one large cell. Combining cell is useful when you want to display a title across the top or the downside of your table. Now, split cell क्या है? You can split one cell into two or more cells in your table to create more than one sections. You can even split cells into columns or rows. So let's solve answer and question. So the first question is, what is the use of format painter? Answer number 1 is, format painter tool is used to copy the formatting that we apply to the text in one portion to another portion of our document. This will save our time and give the text a consistent appearance. Next question is, how many types of tab settings are available in Word? Name them. So the answer is, the 5 different types of tabs are left tab, decimal tab, right tab, bar tab, and center tab. So let's solve the question number 3. Question number 3 is, why do we need table? Okay. So, table provide a way of organizing information into horizontal rows and vertical columns which intersect to form cells. Now, question number 4. We can create table in our document by 3 different ways. Firstly, we can create a blank table and type data in it. Secondly, we can insert a preset table in the document and replace the text of the preset table. और जो थर्ड तरीका है, हम एक कस्टमाइज टेबल को by controlling how the rows and columns appear in it. Now, what is mail merge? Mail merge feature is used to produce a personalized document such as an announcement or a greeting card for each person on our mailing list. Now, application based question. So the question is, the computer teacher asked Ravi to quickly prepare a letter for 50 students with different names and addresses and then take 50 different printouts. For this, he will have to compose all the letters. What should he do to save his time? So the correct option is mail merge. Okay. So mail merge is the correct option. So thank you so much for watching. Chapter 4 is done.